Yamaha Niken 2021. This is the most advanced three-wheeled motorcycle that Yamaha has. The technology is much more sophisticated than the Yamaha Tire SizeDual, which both have two front wheels. The reason is that the Yamaha Niken is equipped with leaning multi-wheeler technology, which allows this motorbike to maneuver up to a 45-degree tilt angle. As for the kitchen spur, using the engine used Yamaha Moto 09, which has 3 cylinders with a capacity of 847 cc's. Yamaha Niken offers a different and unique driving experience, so don't be surprised if the price of Yamaha Niken in Indonesia will be very expensive. Moreover, this motorbike has an aggressive design with 4 upside-down suspensions attached to the front. Each front wheel has 2 suspensions, so it can produce optimal damping and stability when the driver is maneuvering at high speeds.